Hello everyone! Good day! I hope you are doing well during this quarantine. I am Dr. Clarissa Balatbat. I am a 32-year-old neurologist. But if you don't know what a neurologist is, a neurologist is a doctor that specializes the brain. Today I am going to tell you of how the brain works and ways on how to take care of this very powerful organ. I chose the brain because I am fascinated on how the brain works. Did you know that the brain is smarter than a supercomputer? Two of my grandparents are neurologists, and I was inspired by the stories that led me to this profession. So, this is how the brain works. The brain is located in the skull. The brain has three parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. Each part has its own function. The cerebellum thinks and controls our muscle movement. The cerebellum maintains our balance and our motor movement. The brainstem does the automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate, digestion, sneezing, and coughing. The brain also helps the body in talking, thinking, and feeling. The brain also does the things that we are less aware of, like beating of the heart and digestion of the food. Two of the most common neurological disorders are stroke and seizure. Stroke is when one experiences damage to the brain with the result of arteries leading to and with the brain becoming impaired. Signs may include blurred vision, confusion, trouble of speaking or understanding, dizziness or loss of balance, numbness or weakness of the face, arm, or leg, and at times one side of the body. Stroke, seizure are changes of the brain's electrical activity. Signs and symptoms of a seizure vary depending on the severity of your seizure, but most common include loss of consciousness or awareness, temporary confusion, and uncontrollable jerking movements of the arms and legs. It is very important for both diseases that it is a must to see a doctor for consultation and treatment to control and avoid another stroke or seizure. Here are some tips to keep our brain healthy. To take care of your brain, you can do the following. Exercise regularly. You should aim for 30 to 60 minutes per week. Walk, swim, or any aerobic activity for the heart rate is good. Get plenty of sleep. You should aim for 7 to 8 consecutive hours of sleep daily. Eat a healthy diet. The goal is to eat more greens and eat less red meat. Stay mentally active. In order to keep the brain in shape, try crossword puzzles, reading a book, playing cards, or putting together jigsaw puzzles. Remain socially involved. Stay connected with your loved ones to avoid boredom, depression, and stress. It's time to take charge and be in charge of your health. This is my favorite acronym of the brain. B. Be responsible. Take charge of your body and changes in your body. R. Remove doubts by consulting a doctor or a neurologist for any symptoms. A. Avoid unhealthy habits like not sleeping for 7 to 8 hours daily and drinking excessively. I. Introduce good habits like walking up and down the stairs daily, and eating more greens than red meat. And need to stay mentally active. Stay socially involved to keep you going. Have a healthy mindset. For closing this episode, I will show you a video of the brain, the amazing brain.
Divided into the left and the right. The right brain moves the left brain while the left brain moves the right. Though it's gray and white, it brings colors in our life, doing wonders no computer can ever realize. The cerebrum is the biggest inner thinking brain, with billions of neurons for all functions to sustain. And it sends and receives signals from everywhere, protected by the skull, our brains beyond compare. The amazing brain, oh what a delight. It seems complicated, it's the most organized. Know it well, know it early while we're still young. Keep it healthy cause we'll use it every second of our life. Every part of our body is connected to our brain, using nerves to connect like the fastest bullet train. Our brain is divided into many parts. Don't worry with time, we will learn them by heart. Are you ready now? What makes us move and speak? It's our frontal lobe, the cold and the pain that's felt by a parietal lobe. To hear this song, it's our temporal lobe, occipital lobe. We see the beauty of our world.
Thank you for joining us this edition. Till next time, have a healthy life. Bye!